Want to know how to get C ASCP certificate fast? Here's your step-by-step guide to stand out as a certified technologist in chemistry. Stick around. Coming up, I'll bust the biggest myth that blocks lab techs from getting credentialed. Today, you'll learn exactly how to get C ASCP certificate, eligibility rules, the official process, and real tips for passing. You're watching MLC Academy, built for lab professionals chasing ASCP success worldwide. First tip, start with the right eligibility. You need the approved education and clinical experience for the C ASCP certification. Pick your route based on ASCP Board of Certification standards. Don't guess or cut corners, find your official path at ASCP. Next, complete the online ASCP application. Pay the fee. Send every required document. Application fees aren't refundable, so double-check everything before submitting. Third, wait for ASCP to review and approve. Track your status online. When approved, schedule your computer-based exam at a Pearson VUE center. Pass the exam to view your score. You'll get your WAL certificate in 4 to 8 weeks. Certification is valid for 3 years. Keep it current. Complete the credential maintenance program so your C ASCP certificate doesn't expire. A common mistake? Not verifying clinical experience or missing a transcript. The truth, ASCP only checks eligibility after the full application is received. Thousands of lab pros worldwide crush their ASCP goals with MLC Academy Prep, expert-led live classes, video lessons, study guides, and QBanks help you pass. Get access at the MLC platform. So, that's how to get C ASCP certificate from start to finish. Explore more ASCP Prep at MLC Academy, and in our next video, I'll break down the C ASCP exam itself. Subscribe or check the channel for that full walkthrough.